Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing one of your favorite desserts. Today we're going to be doing a keto ice cream. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So first we require a weighing scale. Then I have a mason jar. So you need to have about a medium to large size mason jar. I'm going to keep it here. The first thing what we're going to put is Amul fresh cream. So that's going to be 250 grams of the same thing. I'm going to empty it into the container. There you go. Next we have is vanilla essence. So we are going in for 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. That goes into the jar. Next we're going to go in for is coffee. So I'm using a David of instant coffee. We're going to put half a teaspoon of the same. That's here. Next we're going to add pinch of salt. So we're going to add just a pinch of salt for taste. There you go. And lastly we have my favorite brand, that's Zevic stevia. We're going to add 40 grams of the same. If you don't want it very sweet, you can go in for about 30 grams also. But I'm going to add today is 35 grams of the same thing. There you go. That's Zevic stevia. And I'm going to close the jar and give it a nice shake. So we're going to shake this for about a minute to 2 minutes so that everything gets mixed in nicely. This ice cream contains only 2.5 grams of net carbs per scoop. There you go. And it's mixed quite well, you can see. Now we're going to put into the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours. So guys, our keto coffee ice cream is ready. Before we remove the ice cream, I would advise you that you keep it out at room temperature for roughly about 5 minutes. Okay, now let's see. So here I have an ice cream scoop. There you go. And our creamy, delicious ice cream is ready. There you go. And now I'm going to top it up with some chopped almonds. So here's my keto coffee ice cream. Benefits of the same: first, super easy to make. Second, it's homemade, that means no preservatives. Third, it contains only 2 grams of net carbs. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe our channel. Hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition and healthy recipes. Thank you so much. See you soon next time.